The universe is always in motion, stars are born, galaxies collide, and cosmic forces shape the very fabric of reality. Every night, above our heads, the sky tells a story of constant change and boundless possibility. Space-time itself stretches ever onward, carrying with it the echoes of ancient explosions and the seeds of new worlds. The cosmos is a living tapestry, woven from the threads of time and gravity. Here on Earth, our journey into the cosmos is also changing rapidly. The dreams of reaching beyond our planet have evolved from distant fantasies to tangible realities, fueled by ambition and innovation. For decades, space exploration was dominated by the United States and Russia, their rivalry shaping the course of history and inspiring generations to look up and wonder what lies beyond. But today, new explorers are emerging, rewriting the rules and expanding the boundaries of what's possible. The landscape of space is more diverse and dynamic than ever before. This week, Russia faced a critical setback, a reminder that even the most experienced players must adapt to survive in this new era. Meanwhile, new contenders are blazing their own trails, undeterred by past failures and driven by a hunger to make their mark among the stars. China is on the verge of mastering reusable rockets, a technological leap that could redefine the economics of space travel and open new frontiers for exploration. And South Korea has become a capable spacefaring nation, launching its own rockets and satellites, and inspiring a new generation of scientists and engineers. The story is no longer just about Moscow and Washington. It's being written in Beijing, Seoul, and private labs worldwide. Across continents, new voices are joining the conversation, each bringing unique perspectives and ambitions. The balance of power in space is shifting before our eyes. Launches now echo from every corner of the globe, signaling a new era of competition and collaboration. Established players face immense challenges maintaining their foothold, as aging technology and shifting priorities force them to adapt or risk falling behind. Meanwhile, emerging nations democratize access to orbit, empowering students, entrepreneurs, and innovators to reach for the stars in ways once thought impossible. Space is no longer the exclusive domain of superpowers. It's within reach for any nation with the will, talent, and vision to pursue the unknown. The barriers are falling, and the possibilities are multiplying. This is a story about human ingenuity and our unyielding curiosity. Every breakthrough, every launch is a testament to our desire to explore and understand the universe. The new era is defined by diverse goals, scientific discovery, commercial enterprise, national security, and the relentless pursuit of technological challenge. Each mission adds a new thread to the ever-growing tapestry of space exploration. New players bring fresh perspectives and technologies, driving innovation at an incredible pace. Their creativity and determination are reshaping the future of spaceflight. The next chapter of our cosmic journey is being written by more authors than ever before. The universe awaits, vast and full of promise, ready for humanity's next leap. The race is no longer zero-sum. It's a global expansion of human potential, where every nation and every individual can play a part in reaching for the stars. The future of space is more open, competitive, and exciting than ever. As we stand on the threshold of new discoveries, one thing is certain: the adventure has only just begun. On November 27th, the world watched a routine Russian Soyuz launch from Baikonur Cosmodrome. The crew reached orbit and docked safely with the ISS, but disaster struck on the ground. The aging launch pad, Site 31/6, suffered a major structural failure as the rocket lifted off. Chunks of metal and concrete collapsed, leaving the pad in ruins. This is Russia's only operational crewed Soyuz launch pad. For the first time since Gagarin, Russia may have lost its independent ability to launch humans into orbit. Roscosmos announced repairs, but experts doubt a quick fix. All Russian crewed and cargo flights could be halted for months. With Soyuz grounded, a huge logistical gap threatens ISS operations. The failure of aging hardware on Earth now challenges the smooth running of humanity's outpost in space. The collapse at Baikonur is more than just an engineering failure. It's a powerful symbol of Russia's shifting fortunes in the space race. Once this launch pad was a proud gateway to the stars, representing decades of Soviet and Russian achievement. Now its battered remains echo the uncertainty facing Russia's space ambitions. For years, Soyuz was the gold standard of reliability, giving Russia not only global prestige, but also a vital, irreplaceable role in ferrying astronauts to the International Space Station. The world depended on Russian rockets, and the nation's expertise was unquestioned. But today, aging infrastructure, outdated technology, and strained budgets threaten to erode that hard-earned legacy. Years of underinvestment have left facilities in disrepair, and the once bustling control rooms now stand eerily silent. In a dramatic reversal, Russia may soon have to buy seats on SpaceX's Dragon capsules, relying on American technology to reach the ISS, a role once unthinkable for the former space superpower. This shift highlights a new operational balance in space exploration. Private American companies, led by SpaceX, now set the pace for crew transport, while Russia struggles to keep up. Without reliable, independent access to space, Russia's status as a top-tier space power is in real jeopardy. The absence of Russian voices at key international meetings is already being felt. Modernizing the nation's space program will require years of effort and massive investment, resources that are increasingly hard to come by in today's economic climate. In the fast-moving world of space exploration, falling behind can mean being left out for good. Other nations are racing ahead, and the gap is widening with every successful launch. The world is watching closely. Will this crisis become the spark for a bold Russian renewal, or is it the beginning of a slow, irreversible decline from the top ranks of spacefaring nations? Russia now faces a pivotal crossroads in its space story, with its future hanging in the balance. While Russia struggles to regain its former dominance in space technology, facing delays and setbacks, China is racing ahead with bold innovation and a clear vision for the future. Private company Landspace is preparing to launch the Zhuge-3, a rocket that could change the game for China's space ambitions. This large, methane-fueled stainless steel rocket is designed for reusability, echoing the breakthroughs pioneered by SpaceX. If successful, China will become only the second nation to master reusable rocket landings, an achievement that could reshape the global space industry, and it's a private company leading the way, not a government agency. This marks a dramatic shift in how China approaches space. China's government is now actively fostering a vibrant commercial space sector, encouraging private innovation alongside state efforts. Private firms like Landspace are agile and ambitious, able to innovate and iterate quickly, pushing the boundaries of what's possible in rocket design. Mastering reusability would slash costs dramatically and make China a major player in global launches, opening new opportunities for international collaboration and competition. The Zhuge-3's debut is more than a test. It's a bold step into a new era for China's space industry. It's a declaration of China's intent to lead in next-generation space technology and to challenge established powers. China's approach blends private enterprise with national goals, accelerating progress and driving rapid advancements. The world is watching closely as China aims to leapfrog the old guard and set new standards in space exploration. The future of space may be written in Beijing as much as anywhere else, as a new chapter in the space race begins. South Korea is quietly carving out its place in space. With the successful fourth launch of its homegrown Nuri rocket, South Korea has proven it can build and launch satellites independently. Each mission builds confidence and reliability, the foundation of any serious space program. The new Korea Aerospace Administration, KASA, signals a strategic commitment to space. KASA unifies government, industry, and academia to accelerate progress. South Korea's ambitions include lunar missions and its own navigation system. The Nuri rocket unlocks these future endeavors. South Korea's methodical progress shows how a nation can join the exclusive club of spacefarers. It's a powerful example of leveraging technology and national will to reach the stars. Comparing Russia, China, and South Korea reveals the new global space order. Russia, the old guard, is fighting to preserve its legacy amid crumbling infrastructure. China is on the offensive, blending state power and private innovation to leap ahead with reusable rockets. South Korea represents the methodical new entrant, building capabilities step by step for strategic independence. The old powers face the innovator's dilemma. Past success can hinder adaptation. New contenders leap directly to modern, efficient technologies. The result, a multipolar space environment where leadership is defined by innovation, not history. The space race is no longer a two-horse contest. Ambition, agility, and investment now set the pace. The future belongs to those who innovate fastest. The global space stage has never been more dynamic. What does this mean for our future in space? The cosmos is opening up. The era of a space duopoly is over. Power and capability are being redistributed. The new space race is about building sustainable infrastructure, not just planting flags. Private companies and new nations are driving innovation at unprecedented speed. Competition breeds excellence, lowers costs, and creates resilience. Russia's predicament shows the danger of relying on a single system. A multipolar space future is more robust and inclusive. The human drive to explore is universal, igniting across the globe. The next space race will be defined by collaboration, competition, and commercial enterprise. The journey is just beginning, by more nations, for all humanity.